What a beautiful morning it is. It is 7 a.m. We are ready to hit the road. We got the cover on, top down, boat loaded. She needs a little clean. I got the bike it's coming with. We're gonna change the seal up there. I remember to bring my gear shifter too. I took that off for the Rock the Park. Anyways, I didn't have time to fix it, so I'm gonna take it up north with me. Hill? What's on your face?
Band-Aid.
I'm not even gonna ask because I don't even want to know I never know what you're doing back there. So anyways, back there, front there. Yeah, so this thing's ready to go. Everything's ready. Hopefully we'll get some riding in. The weather does look good this weekend. I am excited. We're going to Ribfest in Gravenhurst, so it's like a boat show too, so that's why this bad boy is coming. And there's a track up there, so hopefully we can spin some laps. Hill, you can be my pit girl.
I'm down.
You can just...
Not putting on a dress though.
Yeah, well, hey, I've seen you do weirder things, so...
Whatever happens, happens.
Yeah, whatever happens, happens. So let's do the carry-on, see if we can hit the road and try and avoid traffic, but you know, we'll probably find some. You gotta see how loaded up this thing is. 3 days and we're like moving in everything. All right, let's roll. Looking cloudy out there, boys and girls. Oh, we're getting a passerby. Hey, Frank. I have no clue where we are. We're in Mapleton, Ontario. Where's that hill?
I've never been here before.
I've never been here either. I don't think much goes on in Mapleton, Ontario.
Sounds like a great Canadian place.
I know. I wonder if maple syrup comes from here. We got some beans, we got some corn, some wheat. Got an old farmhouse, a couple trees. Oh, the Easters live here. Seem like nice people. Anyways, we're almost in Arthur. Then we're gonna swing by Raw Distributing. Then maybe some food. Then I don't know. So we gave in. We're gonna be fat today. Might as well. You're fat every day. Well,
love it.
You're fine. Hell, you're actually pretty fit. You know, if you hit the gym once or twice more a week, you'd be in better shape than Arnold.
Get in McDonald's.
Just remember now, if you want to raise minimum wage, you're going to get replaced by a machine.
I need to get a job at McDonald's.
I know.
$15 an hour? Seriously?
Come on. It's a beautiful day today for a ride. Didn't check the weather. It happens. Did you check the weather today, Hill?
No.
Because I sure didn't check the weather today.
Thought it was going to be sunny and 75.
Yeah, I brought my tanning lotion, all the coconut oil. I was going to lube up. Not today. Once again, my second home. Nice place. A couple boats here. There's what you need, Hill. Nice pontooner.
Pontoon.
Oh, look at that.
That one doesn't have a motor on it.
I'm sure they could find a motor to put on it.
That looks like they got the trailer ready for us.
Ready to go. Getting her all shined up.
Yeah.
Shined up.
Shined up. Clean her up. There's a couple spots that are dirty still.
Can you do my bike too?
No.
It's actually already clean. Well, it probably got some road grime on there.
Probably some road grime.
Some road grime?
Road grime?
I never know what he's doing down there. His feet. Just see a pair of feet sticking up. Food City. Now it turns into a nice day. Just because we got here, right, Hill?
Absolutely.
We brought the sunshine. Drove through the rain and the food and the sunshine. Well, we're back on the highway again. Hill?
On the road again.
The Band-Aid's coming off. It kind of looks gross.
Yeah?
It's like, it's got that flappy thing going on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like that?
Anyways, we're at the shop, quick cleanup of the boat. We're headed back to Gravenhurst now to drop the boats off, then get another boat and drop it off, and I don't know what's going on. It's 1:30, it's 23 degrees, can't complain, it's Thursday. Everyone's at work. I guess you could call this work. I don't consider it work. So.
Volunteering, I guess.
Volunteer work. Oh well, let's see what is going on down in Gravenhurst at the Ribfest boat show. She is definitely a fast-paced day. So we just loaded the boat. I'm just waiting for Glenn to get his boat in. Then we're gonna drive over to the Ribfest, drop him off, head back, grab more boats. So it is a beauty day out here. I feel like we're just a taxi driver service today.
We are. Taxi for boats.
Boat taxi! Shuttle bus is here. Anyways, we just dropped 2 boats off. We got 2 more to go. And then we are done skis. Done city.
Beer time.
Hill took his band-aid off too. Look at that, he's a big boy now. I'm a big boy now.
Coming to say hi.
Hey! Oh, Sun City.
I get it, and I made sure to say
Go time.
It's go time.
We're putting the seal on.
Oh.
I gotta add this to the video. The daily video. Since I didn't.
Let my dad see it. It's gonna be pissed. Or should I go punch out first?
He doesn't want to pay. He wants.
I'll pretend like you already punched out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll tell him. He doesn't watch anyway.
Yeah, there's the seal there.
There she is.
Yeah.
The old chain auto luber.
Yeah.
How was the lake?
How's your voice?
I don't know, I find it Monday.
We're gonna have to drill your voice box out and lube it up.
I have to go into those holes.
Oh. Start smoking through there.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Dylan,
Having some brisk?
how was the water?
The water was nice.
Where did you go?
That's generally the secret.
She's sliding in there nice.
Oh,
Slide-
just sliding in there, just
Sliding
nice.
in those DMs. Like
Just right.
You didn't even have to watch a YouTube video.
No.
Made a YouTube video. Well, that went on a little quicker than I thought. Now we gotta throw the race gear on. 2-stroke against 4-stroke.
No problem, bud.
People love 2-strokes on YouTube. 2-strokes are like the Jesus of dirt bikes on YouTube.
Not this one.
It's amazing.
This one doesn't scream like most do.
No? What
a
is
woods
it?
bike.
Is it 125 or 250?
That's 250. It's a woods bike. It's quiet, mellow.
Oh,
Just fucking-
tonight she's gonna scream.
Won't have to. Not with this little thumper over here.
See, this is how professional 2-stroke riders drive. Oh,
Cigarettes in their mouth.
you're supposed to have your cigarette in your mouth. Why did you put it out?
Because it was done.
Oh, I just wanted one quick video.
One quick video.
One quick one?
After.
After, okay. You can smoke more than your dirt bike.
Yes.
This is the poor little guy that went and blew all the oil everywhere. He's good to go now. Good for another 100 thou.
Good to go.
You can politely beat on it without swearing.
Yeah, I'm just not going to say anything.
Just don't say anything.
Yeah. Stupid thing.
Or you can just say F this. F and F and F and.
Nobody likes 4-strokes. Mark.
Everyone loves 4-strokes. No one likes 2-strokes.
Oh, come on.
Especially with electrical tape numbers.
Oh, come on. That is classic right there. You can't even bash
I know.
on that.
My first race I had electrical tape too.
Wasn't my fault.
Alright, let's see how much oil is going to come out. I'm guessing none.
No, oh, there's going to be some,
Maybe like
a quarter.
maybe like a capful.
There's going to be a splash.
Bit of a splash.
Just enough to coat your hand.
Yeah.
Just so you have to go get
Uh,
a clean your hand. How long is that bolt? Oh my god.
Apparently long enough.
Oh, you got excited.
Oh my god. That is... I think I was out of oil.
Did you pop the cap?
No.
Let some air in?
Hey, well, blow in the hole over there.
Oh, I'll give you something to go on.
She's a little black too. I think she was due for a change.
Well, that's the nice part. Is when that seal leaks, it just changes itself. I told you, you just
The
add
auto...
it. Just add it. Just total loss.
That's what I used to do when I race. Why change oil when you could just keep adding it?
Exactly. That's the same principle Harley uses.
There. Now we got it.